it's sustainable as long as you always have money, but you're building on somebody else's land. Zuckerberg decides they don't like you, and you've invested $500,000 into Zuckerberg over the past 5 years, and your account gets shut down, or you get hacked, or you name it. And so how can you then go back and create content around your platform, both like outside of logins, public facing, as well as like internally for your users that keep them coming back over and over and over again? Because the only thing we ever truly own to some degree, and then it's still questionable, is our website.